In 2023, the CVB created and launched a one-time project fund, a mechanism where for the first time ever, we were able to provide meaningful grants for municipalities and nonprofits for what we determined to be tourism-related projects. We awarded $821,000 in grants. Here are some of the projects the CVB directly impacted.
We're using the CVB funds for the train playground here for the children to play on. Also, a portion of that grant will be used for a picnic shelter and a mural downtown.
Among the improvements made to Weymouth Center, thanks to the one-time project fund, we were able to reconstruct this stone path to make entering the Great Room more accessible for our wheelchair-bound patrons.
With the assistance of the Convention and Visitors Bureau grant, we're going to be able to complete this carriage house and offer it as an additional venue for the area for small events, educational programs, receptions, and other public rentals.
We are so stoked this year. People will travel a long way for a nice skate park, and it's going to be awesome.
Every single Sunday, all this stuff is built by us in the community.
Everyone should be super excited. I know us skaters really are. Thank y'all so much.
The One-Time Project Fund demonstrates how the CVB can play an impactful role in the growth of our destination with tourism product development. We look forward to future opportunities to assist in major tourism-related projects that will attract more visitors, which residents of Moore County will also be able to enjoy.